Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner. Very cool car, guys. Factory bucket seat, center console, 4-speed car. Very rare. Car's finished in the factory color combination. This is B5 blue metallic. It's got the black interior, matching numbers, 3D3 car. Car's out of North Carolina, good solid straight southern body on it. It's an older restoration. He said it's 15 plus. It's got about 6,000 miles on the resto. Couple little blemishes that you can pick, but very, very nice. Love the dust trail stripe on the side. It's got the 15-inch rallies with BF Goodrich Radial T's all the way around it. Good looking car, and I love 70s, man. They just didn't build a lot of these cars. See some of that trim's original on the front. You can pick at it a little. Still very nice. They definitely replaced that front bumper. Factory B5 blue metallic. We had some sun here a second ago. Like I say, as you walk around, you're going to see a couple little touch-up marks, a few little blemishes. But still, very nice car, guys. Post car with the pop-out rear windows. I like that. Again, you kind of see where they've touched up around the window trim. Same thing. Not trying to pick the car apart, but man, 90% of these cars we sell to people sight unseen. Anything I see, I try to point out to you guys. Nice and straight down the sides. I believe the car's got the original quarters still on it. Floors looked original. It's got the correct rally wheels. Looks like a new rear bumper. It's got an H-pipe Flowmaster dual exhaust system on it. It's got bigger tips on the rear. That's a good looking car, and it hits the road real good. Nice little cam to it. Working, a functional factory AM/FM radio car. That you don't see every day. Again, factory rallies with the BFGs all the way around it. Love the dust trail stripe. Of course, that's unique to the 70s. This car's got power front disc brakes, which is nice. Dual chrome mirrors. Power steering. Again, matching numbers. 3D3 cubic inch engine. It does have a little bit of cam to it. They put an Edelbrock intake on it. It's got headers on it. It is a factory D21 4-speed, and it does not have the matching numbers trans. They've added electronic ignition. Stock air cleaner. It's got the Mopar Performance valve covers. Mopar radiator with a shroud. Your VIN is on your front core support as well. There's your fender tag. As always, I post the photos as well. Yeah, a lot of options. Power steering with a 4-speed. You don't see that a lot. Most of them are manual steering. Power front disc brakes. I'm sure that's been added. Factory 4-speed car, D21 car. The bucket seats with center console is very rare. About 90% of these cars were bench seat cars. thought about putting the blacked out hood treatment on it too. I thought that would have looked good, but I kind of left it alone. Well, you can see how nice that A-pillar chrome is. That's really nice. That's had to have been replaced. Yeah, that's new. Those are really nice. Dual chrome mirrors. Door tag still in there. Factory black interior. It's got the sport wheel buckets with center console, pistol grip 4-speed. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Headliner looks good. Steering wheel is very nice. They have sent this, when they had the car restored, they sent this out. You can tell it's been all refurbished. Clockworks, factory tack and gauge car. That's really nice. 6783. Again, that radio works. Factory AM FM radio. It's got the stock Hurst Pistol Grip shifter in it. H-pipe Flowmaster dual exhaust system in it. It's got an 8 3/4 with a 355 sure grip. Good car, man. Jack with a spare. You can see it's got, looks like it's got all the original insulation. It's still body color here in the trunk. Good car. Clean underneath. As always, there will be photos on our website of it. Good looking car. They've definitely redone these seats. Got Nathan fired up here. Yeah, these are new. That's nice. Nothing crazy underneath the hood. Little cam, that's about it. '70s are just killer. Tach works. All your gauges are functional, holding good oil pressure. Clock works. Light kicks down. There you go. Now you can hear that cam working. Good sound. Throaty. Woo, that'll blow your eardrums out. Radio does work, blower motor works. Yeah, doors open and close nice. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.